Namaste, my dear children. Welcome to distance learning sessions through videos. This video is made for class 3, subject maths, chapter number 4, multiplication. And this is 5th session on this chapter. Today, let us solve the questions in exercise 4C of your textbook. Question number 1. Find the following products. So we have to find the products given here A, B, C, D. And we have some more in the next page. First we will solve this and we will move to the next screen. A 404 into 2. So we have to find the product of 404 and 2 here. So as I said, learning multiplication tables by heart is very important for finding products. So let us now calculate this. First we will multiply the digit at ones place, that is 4 by 2. So 2 4s are 8. We write 8 in ones place here. 8. Next we multiply the digit at tens place by 2. Here in tens place we have 0. And if you multiply 0 by any number, you get 0 as product. ಅಂದರೆ 0ವನ್ನು ಯಾವುದೇ ನಂಬರಿಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ 0ನೇ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. So here 2 into 0 is 0. So we write 0 in tens place. So just below the tens column here we write 0. And next we multiply this digit at hundreds place 4 by 2. So 2 into 4 is 8, which represents 8 hundreds since it is in hundreds column. So we write 8 here. Therefore 808 is the product of 404 and 2. In other words, we may say 404 into 2 is equal to 808. Now let us move to the next question, B. Here we have 129 into 7. So let us now multiply the digit at ones place by 7 first. That is, we multiply 9 by 7. So 7 nines are 63. So 63 is regrouped as 6 tens and 3 ones. So we carry forward 6 tens to the tens column and we write 3 in ones column here. What we did now? We multiplied 9 by 7 and we know that 7 nines are 63. So 63 cannot be written in ones column. So what we do, we regroup 63 as 6 tens and 3 ones. 3 ones are written in ones column and 6 tens are carried forward to the tens column. Now we multiply the digit at tens column, that is 2 by 7, and to that product we add the 6 tens. Let us do that now. So 7 twos are 14 and 14 plus 6. 14 plus 6 is 20 and 20 tens are regrouped as 2 hundreds and 0 tens. So we carry forward 2 hundreds to the hundreds column and we write 0 tens or 0 in tens column. Now we multiply the digit at hundreds column by 7, that is 1 by 7. So 7 ones are 7. So 7 plus 2 is 9. So we write 9 in hundreds column here. Therefore, 903 is the product of 129 and 7. Coming to C, we have 205 into 4. So we multiply the digit at ones place first by 4. That is 4 5s are 20. 20 is a 2-digit number, so it is regrouped as 2 tens and 0 ones. So we write 2 tens or carry forward 2 tens to the tens column. So we write 2 here, 2 tens and 0 ones. And we know that if you multiply 0 by 4, you get 0 as product. Therefore, 0 plus 2 is 2. We write 2 in tens column here. 2. Now we multiply the digit at hundreds column by 4. That is 4 2s are 8. We write 8 in hundreds column here. Therefore, 820 is the product of 205 and 4. Andre 205 anna 4 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ 820 ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Now let us move to the next question. D. 777 into 8. So we multiply the digit at ones place by 8 first. We begin from ones place. So when you multiply 7 by 8, what you get? 8 7s are 56. This is why I said you should learn the tables by heart. So without learning tables by heart, it is not possible for you to find the products. So you should learn the multiplication tables up to 10 by heart. So here 8 7s are 56. So 56 ones are regrouped as 5 tens and 6 ones. 5 tens are carried forward to tens column. So we write 5 here and 6 in ones column. Now again multiply 7 at a tens place by 8. So again multiplying 7 by 8, what do you get? You get 56. 8 7s are 56. You should add 5 to 56. So 5 plus 56 is 61. Isn't it? You get 61. So 61 tens are regrouped as 6 hundreds and 1 10. So we carry forward 6 hundreds to the hundreds column and we write down 110 in tens column. Again multiply this 7 at hundreds place by 8. You get 56. 8 7s are 56. Now you should add 6 to 56. Since we have 600s here to be added with 56 hundreds. So 56 plus 6 is 62. So 62 hundreds are regrouped as 6,000s and 200s. So we write 2 in hundreds place and 6 in thousands place. We don't have any digit here for multiplication. So we bring down this carried forward 6,000 to the tens and thousands column here. Therefore, the product obtained is 6,216. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 777 ಅನ್ನ 8 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 6,216 ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿ ನೀವು ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ನ ಕಲ್ತ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನೀವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Now let us move forward to the next question. Here we have E, F, G, H, 4 multiplication problems again. Let us solve these one by one. First, let us take question E, that is 909 into 7. So we are writing solutions here. Solution for E, I have written here 909 into 7 in one line. In the previous questions, the numbers were written in two lines. We can multiply writing the numbers in a single line also, like this. I will show how you can find product writing like this. The procedure of finding product will be same. Only thing is we are writing these numbers in single line. Apart from that, there is no change in finding product. So now let us multiply the digit at ones place here by 7. That is 7 nines are 63. So what we do, 63 is regrouped as 6 tens and 3 ones. So we write 6 here in tens column and we write 3 in ones column here or ones place. So we know that when you multiply 0 by 7 you get 0 as product, and 0 plus 6 is 6. So you write 6 in tens place here. And now again multiplying 9 in hundreds place by 7, you get 7 nines are 63, isn't it? So 63 hundreds are regrouped as 6,000s and 300s. We write 300s in hundreds place and we carry forward 6,000s to the thousands place. Here we don't have any digit at the thousands place, so it will be written just in the thousands place in the answer or in the product. Therefore 6363 is the product of 909 and 7, or we may say 909 into 7 is equal to 6363. Similarly, now let us take question F, that is 870 into 3. Let us write down these numbers here first and we will solve. Here I have written question F, 870 into 3. Let us multiply now. So 3 into 0 is 0. So we write 0 in ones place here. And 3 sevens are 21. So 21 tens, since 7 is in tens place here. So when you multiply 7 by 3 you get a 21. So 21 here will be 21 tens, and 21 tens are regrouped as 200s and 110. So 200s are carried forward to hundreds place and 110 is written in tens column. And now we multiply 8 in hundreds place by 3. 3 8s are 24. 24 plus 2 is 26. So we write 26 here. By this what we mean is 26 hundreds are regrouped as 2000s and 600s. So 2 is written in thousands place and 6 is written in hundreds place. Therefore 2610 is the product of 870 and 3, or 870 into 3 is equal to 2610. Now let us move to question G. So here we have 995 into 2. So I have written down those numbers or factors here. We know that these are called factors. So 995 into 2 is written here. Let us multiply now. So 2 5s are 10. So 10 ones can be written as 110 and 0 ones. So 110 is carried forward to tens place and 0 ones are written here 0. Now we multiply the 9 at a tens place by 2. So 2 nines are 18. 18 plus 1 is 19. So 19 tens. 19 tens are regrouped as 100 and 9 tens. So 100 is carried forward to hundreds place and 9 tens are written in tens place. And now multiplying again 9 and in hundreds place by 2. So 2 nines are 18. 18 plus 1 is 19, which is 1900s. 1900s are regrouped as 1000 and 900s. So 1000 should be carried forward to thousands place. But here we don't have any digit here in thousands place to multiply. So which will be brought down as it is. Therefore, we write 19 here. So here 1 will be in thousands place, 9 is in hundreds place. Therefore, 1990 is the product of 995 and 2. In other words, 995 into 2 is equal to 1990. Now let us move to the next question. H 109 into 9. Let us write down this question here and we will solve. So here I have written 109 into 9. Let's multiply now. 9 nines are 81. So 81 ones are regrouped as 8 tens and 1 1. So 8 tens are carried forward to tens column and 1 is written here in ones column. So on multiplying 0 by 9 we get 0 and 0 plus 8 is 8, which is 8 tens. So we write 8 in tens place. Here 9 into 1 is 9. 9 ones are 9. So you write 9 in hundreds place. Therefore 981 is the product of 109 and 9, or 109 into 9 is equal to 981. Now we have application based questions. Question number 2. There are 192 pages in one notebook. How many pages will there be in 8 such notebooks? ಇದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್ಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ 192 ಪೇಜಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯ 8 ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಒಟ್ಟು ಎಷ್ಟು ಪೇಜಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. So this is a multiplication problem. That is, we have to multiply 192 by 8 to find the solution for this problem. Come on, let's do it now. Solution. So we have to multiply 192 by 8. Let's multiply now. 8 twos are 16. 16 ones are regrouped as 110 and 6 ones. So 1 tens are carried forward to tens place and 6 ones are written here in ones place. Now we multiply 9 by 8. 8 nines are 72. 72 plus 1 is 73. That is 73 tens. 73 tens are regrouped as 700s and 3 tens. So we carry forward 700s to hundreds place and we write 3 in tens place here. Now we multiply 1 by 8. So 8 ones are 8. 8 plus 7 is 15, which is 1500s. So we write 15 here. 1 will be in thousands place and 5 is in hundreds place. Therefore 1536 is the product of 192 and 8. What does this number represents here in this question? So this is the number of pages in 8 notebooks. Therefore you should write there will be 1536 pages in 8 notebooks. So there will be 1536 pages in 8 such notebooks. So this is the concluding statement of this problem. Now let us move to the next question. We have another word problem here. Question number 3. Glow Bright Company packed 120 electric bulbs in a carton. Find out how many bulbs were packed in 9 such cartons. So cartons ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾರ್ಟನ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸಸ್ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಕರಿತೀವೋ ಅದು ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ಗಳು. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿಯ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ಗಳಲ್ಲೂ 120 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಬಲ್ಬ್ಸನ್ನು ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಒಂದು ಗ್ಲೋ ಬ್ರೈಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಕಂಪನಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರತಿ ಕಾರ್ಟನ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ 120 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಬಲ್ಬ್ಸನ್ನು ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಸೊ 9 ಸಚ್ ಕಾರ್ಟನ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸಸ್ 9 ಸಚ್ ಕಾರ್ಟನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಬಲ್ಬ್ಸನ್ನು ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿರುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಕಂಪ್ನಿ ಅಂತ ನಾವೀಗ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. Again, to find the solution, what we should do? We should multiply 120 by 9. Let us do it now. Solution. So we will find the product of 120 and 9. So 9 into 0 is 0. 9 twos are 18. So 18 tens are regrouped as 100 and 8 tens. 100 is carried forward to 100's column and 8 tens are done in tens place. So now we multiply 1 by 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Therefore 1080 is the product of 120 and 9. What does 180 represents here? So this is the total number of bulbs packed in 9 carton boxes. So what we should write here as a concluding statement, there will be 1080 bulbs packed in 9 such cartons. Let us write now. So 1080 bulbs were packed in 9 such cartons. So this is the solution for this problem. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned all the problems we discussed in today's session. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye children.